Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to know if someone blocked you on Telegram. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to unmute it. So 5 signs to check if someone blocked you on Telegram. Tips 1. Undelivered messages. When the first sign that someone has blocked you is your message will not get delivered to them. You can try sending a message and waiting for at least a few hours. If it only shows a single tick instead of the 2 ticks, which means the message is delivered, it could mean that the contact has blocked you. Tips 2. Profile picture replaced by initials. Another sign to check if you have been blocked on Telegram is to check the profile picture of that user. If their image is replaced out of nowhere by their initials that are the first letter of their name and surname, that it could indicate that they have blocked you. Tips 3. Online status no longer visible. By default, you can check if a person is active or online on Telegram by their status, but if you are blocked by someone, then you will no longer be able to see their activity. And when they were online on Telegram, it will only show the last seen a long time ago message under the status, even if they are active on Telegram. Tips 4. Fail to connect voice or video calls. Try voice or video calling the person in question. If the call does not connect and you receive a failed to connect call due to privacy settings, then this is a sign that you might be blocked. If you think to see more Telegram videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to How to Unmute. Thanks for watching.